welcome to an introduction to more silliness. So it's nearly 20 past 8. I start class in 43 minutes. So we're gonna have to get lunch and just gonna make the bed and grab my phone charger and stuff. Get quick. Turn off the TV. I won't take my hoover up first. This makes it walk a bit better. Okay, I'm gonna quick look at this bed. Oh yeah, it's 19 minutes past. So grab my phone charger. So I might actually go outside. Who knows? I need this. My earphones are there, so it's all good. Good job, man. Right. Trying to grab earphones. I did my employee card for later. Right. I do believe that is off. Ready to go. See you outside. I'll only take this damn plate for. No, I've got a couple spare minutes. I'm gonna quickly get some lotion chucked in to the washing basket. No sunset needs that. Well, I'm kind of cold. Today's what? The 5th of September? Kind of be expected. Today is our college and work. I'll try to get a little bit of footage in both. However, that is not me making promises. So you join me at 1:08 exactly. I had a bit of a time problem. What is that time problem, you may be wondering? Well, I did get home for a reasonable time from work, In fact, you have a quite of me on the bus. What you didn't see is I came home, sat down in front of the TV with a micro pizza, as you can see, and at some point before I woke up about 10 minutes ago, I'm just rearranging and sorting out vlogs and stuff that, what's been uploaded, what hasn't, what still needs to be, and all that stuff. I'm up in 6 hours. I've got regular show's funniest moments on. That's another classic from my childhood. I can't believe how old that show is as well. Does anybody else get like that? They watch shows from their youth, like when they're a kid, and then it kind of shocks you how old those shows are. Like, I would not mind doing a full rewatch of a regular show. See, I know I was like a teenager when the show ended. I'm like, what, 2015 or 2016? I think I stopped watching after 2012 or 13, but golly, continue it. Or rewatch rather. But you're probably wondering, how was the day? Suppose you would be. I mean, why the fuck else you watching this YouTube channel? This complete shit pile. Right. Well, it was good and it was bad. I was really tired. I didn't sleep well last night. I'm getting more sleep tonight, obviously, but I just didn't have the best amount of sleep. Kept waking up, which wasn't fun either. So, hopefully it doesn't happen next. After college, really tired, but you know what? I still stuck at the class, obviously. Like, despite all that, I didn't not apply myself. Like, I still did apply myself in the class. I did the work. I was expected to go. I still tried, given the circumstances. Right. We'll take a bit changed. So, it was college more or less until 4 o'clock. We did the. What it was mostly just health and safety. Sorry. Traditional masonry construction. Then our health and safety in the afternoon. So, I mean, that was good. Which I enjoy doing. It's an interesting thing, construction. Obviously, I love building things. Evidenced by my fucking crippling Lego addiction. So after that, work was a strange one. So the head of the store, she's never usually in on these like 4-hour shifts, which in between my 2 night shifts a week, or currently 2 night shifts a week, could go up to 3. I'm doing these 4-hour shifts. It was fun the other day to actually upload the video. Fun fact, I uploaded the night shift vlog and forgot that's what it was. So it had a title. I recently, about 10 minutes ago, and corrected it, and it was kind of cool to title the night shift vlog again. Just because it's so long now. So, that was great. And we get another one, so 41 will be happening as well. So, went in basically this huge store has like this big inspection thing. One second, I'm trying to fix up the springs at space. But I remember getting a mattress topper to try and improve this. Because right where my hand is, you can feel the spring. It's fucking horrible. the bed, but I also want to be comfortable and not cut myself. I get paid to buy a mattress topper. And this is better where it's all wet. The best of that cut on my leg. So I'll quickly go see if I can find them if I've been using this shit. 1 second. I'm actually using it as cardboard. You know, just so there's something between myself and the springs. Cardboard and can't feel that spring. Again, I'm probably gonna have to get a new mattress. I actually even want to look and see how much that's gonna cost. Which I don't think you guys can blame me for not wanting to look. That one's easy enough, but it's like when I'm rolling around in bed and I'm just moving and I'm getting stabbed by the mattress, it's not good. I ended up using that whole bit of cardboard, but I can't feel that spring. I suppose some duct tape and shit would be ideal. I'm gonna try the mattress topper and see how it improves it, but I'm really not looking forward to buying a whole new mattress. We have to wait and see. Let me pull that over to them. So I'm more or less about to go to sleep. I'm just been scouring eBay as well quite a bit today, looking at deals. But anyway, back to work. So basically we're having this visit thing, and we had to have a whole team worth of people in the prep the store that were mega bitchy and starting constant fucking like just being aggressive. Manager's basically taking it as a license to go, oh look, we can be dicks. You can see from the spot and it's quite easily on the bed, but see if it's so long as I'm not getting fucking snapped or cut off it. I don't mind. So yeah, I mean, that was stressful, but hey, so we get the asshole with that, which is all good. But anyway, I'm going to have a quick one more look at one of those things I was betting for on eBay. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I'm fucking tired.